Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to make groups on your taskbar for applications so that way you could kind of group together similar apps in one place for easy access. So it's a free program called Taskbar Groups, so you just download it, it's a zip file, you extract it. So it's just an executable, nothing to install. So you might want to put this somewhere, like a final place instead of in your downloads or on your desktop, because it's going to keep the configuration in there. Then if you move it, you risk breaking it. So once you run the executable, you might get a warning from Windows saying, we don't know the publisher, do you want to keep going? And you can just say, okay. So we're going to make a new group here, and we're going to call this web browsers. And you can make an icon for it too. It doesn't have to be an icon file, it could be a JPEG. So I have a PNG file on my desktop here I'm going to use for my icon. So now we're going to add the shortcut. So you can't just add shortcut files, you have to find the executable. So we're going to go into Program Files. So we'll do Internet Explorer here. So here's the executable. Then we'll do Chrome. So obviously you're going to have to know where the executables are. And then we'll see if we can find Edge here. Okay, so now we have all of our new shortcuts. We just click on Save. So we have it here. And now this is kind of the weird part. To get it on the taskbar, you need to click on your group here, which will open up the shortcut for that group. And then from here you could just drag it to your taskbar and pin to taskbar. So now you have it down there. So now we could close this. Close this. And then of course you could, if you have other things pinned, you could rearrange it and so on. And you'll notice now that you have a shortcut folder in your Taskbar Groups folder that contains the shortcut for this, and then any other ones you make. That's why I was saying you should put it somewhere, where you're going to keep it for good. All right, so now when we click on it, you might get this message the first time you do it. So just click Run Anyways. Okay, so let's try it again here. So now you can see it pops up all of our icons, so you could have multiple icons for whatever kind of category you want. Then we just click on Chrome here. Opens up Chrome. We got Edge. And we even have Internet Explorer. And then of course you can make multiple groups for whatever type of apps you want. And then if you don't want it anymore, you could just right click on it, unpin it, and then it'll still be here if you want to go back and repin it. So I'll put a link in the description where you could download the Taskbar Groups program, and then you could try it out for yourself. I tried this in Windows 11. I was able to make the groups, but once I clicked on it, I wasn't able to open any of the apps that were stored in that group. So maybe it'll work in the future, maybe not. So you could try it if you're on Windows 11, but I know for sure it works on Windows 10. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.